start. Hey, Paul.
Hey. Back at it again.
Again, because my other fucking GoPro decided to say I had 90% battery and then just within like 10 seconds had 0. I guess I'm gonna have to get a new battery for that one.
Like to find whoever put Loctite on your glove net for this.
They didn't.
They got Loctite on.
No, they don't.
Yes, you do. Bright red Loctite.
That one might. That one might. But the other ones don't. The other ones are fine. I don't know who put Loctite on that. That one looks like it kind of does too, but what? Oh. Okay.
Perfect. We can take the caliper off and leave it hanging.
Oh, what about? Oh, we're gonna do that anyway. But what about the brake? Like, are they across the?
No. They run up along the bottom of the car. That's what I'm saying. Once we take the caliper off, that's it.
Okay. They don't run across the rear end?
Nope.
Or whatever?
Nope.
They're not attached to the rear end?
No.
Like with a tab or whatever?
Nope.
Huh. Okay.
Like I said, that's perfect.
It's fine.
Pop the caliper off. Shock, 4 bars, drive shaft, rear end out.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we'll tackle each side. I'll get one side, you get the other. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. This is we're calling this project Fix My Hiney.
You'll find out sooner. Real soon.
Well, no, I mean, I'll tell you why, because it's apparently the rear end's bent.
It's actually sitting here leaking.
Is it? Is it leaking?
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently the rear end's bent. Like, I didn't think it would be a problem until you got to like 600 or 700 horsepower or whatever, you know, foot-pounds of torque, whatever, up in that area. But apparently, what you're supposed to do when you do the performance stuff is weld these tubes in. See, I'm learning new things every day. I started this when I was like 24. Most people have already in it when they were like 12. I learned pretty quick with all the other stuff, but the small nuances of this things did not, you know, you find out along the way. And this is one of them, and my shit's bent. Because I'll tell you a story time. Everybody was telling me, hey, your slicks are got that camber, and I was like, nah, that's just an optical illusion, the way the tires will flatten out and whatever. And then I went to go put on my regular tires, and I still had camber. I'm like, oh god damn it, my shit's bent. My shit's bent. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'll come back at this when we get further in. I'm gonna get on this side probably, start undoing stuff when we get to about that time and whatever. So yeah, we'll come back at you here after a while later. All right, last bolt.
Electrical spring.
Bing.
Good job, the weapon has been removed from the equation.
Yeah, no shit. Does that have isolators on it? It does not.
No, it doesn't.
That's it. Let's pull it out.
I got that one more.
I mean, that's what I figured you.
I just want to get the danger ring out.
Actually, that wasn't even that bad over there. Like it was just, like I said, it was like a surprise, motherfucker. Yeah, about an hour. I got down on the ground on the other side.
Time for some IRS.
That's why I'm breathing so hard right now, because I had to get up.
We're gonna put IRS on the back of this car.
Yeah, proof that I have worked on my car. My hands are dirty. Paul isn't the only one that does the work. He just does a majority of the work because he's so small. Yeah, I see that. Might be the control arm. Might be the upper control arm not fully out. The drive shaft, what? What's?
The drive shaft is good.
How's it? Oh, is it not all the way off? Oh. Yank it. I thought you pulled that off.
No, I left it hanging there.
You should have just pulled it off. See, I'm trying to get all glorious like, and we got still, I mean, it's not nothing major, but it's, you know, annoying because you got to get back up under there. There it goes. Should have just yanked it. You ready? Can I pull it? Huh?
Set it down some more.
Hang on. I just let it all the way down.
Yeah, push the jacket up.
The upper control arms?
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, I figured they were kind of still stuck on there.
Well, this side is.
They're on there tight. I think the other side's off, isn't it? Yeah, see that. Oh, no, this side's still kind of on. I think if we yank it, it'll come out. Hey, Paul, I think if we yank it, it'll come out. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
It's hanging by those arms.
Okay.
They're in that. You're too tall.
That's too tall. Oh, shit. It's always something. Watch out. Got it.
Oh, that's one side.
Oh, okay. Push on with your leg.
Huh?
Here.
On it, bounce on it real hard.
Yeah, that's what I did. I just kind of.
I would if the passenger side didn't come up.
All right, here.
That's what it is.
Wow. No, oh, did it come out? Yeah. Okay. I said I couldn't get my leg all the way up on it. You got this? Or do you want to push that down there and put that on that?
I'll show you how you do these.
I mean, I
It's on
figured.
the ground already, so we ain't gonna hurt it much more than it already is fucking destroyed.
Yeah.
So you take it, shock and spit out of the way.
Just gonna pull it out. See,
Give her a tug. You slide the horn.
There she is. There she is, bent and all. What? Oh, was that the?
Just got the bushing there.
We'll put them back in, and we'll. I mean, I'll have to get some. I guess I'll have to get polyurethanes, and we'll put them on the other one. Or whatever. Can you even tell it's bent?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I think you might be able to. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, if you look closely at the both are.
It's kind of on an angle. I can't really. But when you pulled it up,
It's actually set flat though.
but when you pulled it up, I think I saw it. The U-shaped.
Yeah, but it's sitting flat.
Yeah. No, it's got a.
It's got a bow to it.
It's going this way.
No, you set it on the concrete though.
That's fine. All right, that was Project Fix My Hiney Part 1. Fix my hiney. Yeah. I always try to word these very unique. Like, can't be having Project Pull Rear End. Got to have unique project sounds. Kind of like the government with Project MK Ultra and whatnot. It's like, what the fuck does that mean? MK Ultra, Mortal Kombat Ultra. What? It's actually a government, yeah. You know what? Conspiracy theories, you have to, well, it's not really even a conspiracy theory, but you have to go looking into that, and I'm not big into that, but yeah, that's some bullshit that the government did. Probably still doing, but that's neither here nor there. Now I'm on a watch list. As soon as I post this up, I'll be on a watch list.
Probably will be.
But it's okay, because it's whatever. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Anyway, all right. That's it. I'm going to hang it up. We're just going to put the bolts where they need to go, back into where they need to be, and that'll be all. So, yeah. Yeah, all right. Hey, sign us out there, buddy.
Until the next time.
Fat Man Fast, signing out.